Struggling to keep your frizzy or curly hair smooth and manageable? Today, we're exploring a fantastic solution, Garnier Hair Food Cocoa Macadamia. This 3-in-1 hair mask hydrates, nourishes, and controls frizz for an impressive 48 hours. It's like having a personal hair assistant. Use it as a conditioner, rinse-out treatment, or leave-in mask, total versatility. Plus, it's 98% natural and vegan. Suitable for all hair types, it empowers everyone to have stunning hair. Users rave about their revitalized, shiny locks. Just apply generously and style as desired. Ready for healthier hair? Click the link in the description for By Garnier Coconut Hair Food. You deserve fabulous hair. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit our website for amazing deals.